Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a new stitch, the Floret Stitch. So let's get started. Let's start with a random number of chain stitches. In the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, make 1 double crochet. Double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. That's a double crochet, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And if you have some stitches left over, you can just pick those out. So now I'm going to chain 2 and turn. I'm going to slip stitch in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, slip stitch in the next stitch, double crochet in the next. I'm going to repeat that across the row. Slip, double. And don't forget to work in that last stitch, which is the turning chain. And that's how that looks. And now you're just going to repeat those 2 rows. So the next row will be double crochet across the row, chain 2 and turn. That takes the place of the first double crochet in each stitch across the row, and that includes the slip stitch. So double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, so a double crochet in each stitch, chain 2 and turn, slip stitch in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, slip stitch, double crochet. And you're going to repeat that across the row. And there's how that looks. I'm going to work a few more rows and I'll show you how it looks. And there you go. There's another new stitch called the Floret Stitch. To make a washcloth, start with chain 30. Start with 1 row of double crochet, work the Floret Stitch, end with 1 row of double crochet. And you just keep working until you have a square. And I used 100% cotton worsted and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.